Good evening. Good evening.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Oh, so sweet. Good evening. Good afternoon, dear. Okay, let me check. Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Check who will join.
How are you, ma'am?
I'm fine, Piti. I'm fine. Thank you. Okay, just let me check. Prachi. Anya, Prachi is there. Good afternoon, dear Prachi. Prachi is there, Prachi? Prachi? No. Anya? Anya?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes.
Shagra?
Good
Shagra?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. And
Good
Kavya?
afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon. Kavya, dear. Kavya, kahan hai? Not yet?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon, beta. Okay, you will simply raise the hand. Pavni, Pavni, correct. Okay, Myra,
Yes, ma'am.
where is Myra? Myra, okay. Still there is 1 minute. Let me confirm the participant. Arushi, yes.
Present, ma'am.
Good, good. Dharya, good. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Prachi, where is Prachi? Prachi,
Present, ma'am.
present. Good girl. And who is left now? Kavya, where is Kavya? Kavya is not here yet.
Ma'am, I am present, ma'am.
Okay, good, good. Okay, Kavya has just joined. Kavya. One, two, three. Okay, but all participants. Kavya, show me your video, dear.
आवाज नहीं आ रही
Nisha, sorry, Kavya, please show me the video. Pavani and Nisha, no one will close the video. Yeah. Yes. Good. Yes. I'm going to mute all. Okay. Now, participants, Myra, one. Okay. Pearl, you will simply thumbs up. Pearl section, thumbs up, please. Pearl section. Pearl section, Ayana and Prachi, done. Ruby section, please. Mayank, Kushagra, and Kavya, please show me the video. Show me Kavya face. Please show me your face, dear. You will be disqualified otherwise. Show me your face, Kavya. Kavya, yeah. Thank you, Kavya. You have to be on screen, right? Thank you. Okay. Next, Diamond, thumbs up. Diamond, thumbs up, please. Okay, Pavni and Myra. Ready? Ready? Okay, Arushi and Dharya. Lovely, lovely. Okay, Ranju ma'am has also joined. Ranju ma'am has. Should we start the quiz now? Ready? Ready, everyone? Yes, over to Mayank Rohila. He is the anchor of today's quiz. Mayank, please start. I'm going to unmute you. Unmute you, dear. Yes, proceed.
Hi, I am Mayank Rohila. Welcome to the class in charge, DSPS Sunita Kundu ma'am. And dear friends, we are all here for the patriotic quiz which is going to held right now. Let me first introduce you to all the participants, Prachi and Anya from Third Pearl, Kushagra and Kavya from Ruby, Pavni and Myra from Diamond, Arushi and Dharya from Sapphire. Now I would like to say a few lines on the Republic Day. We celebrate this day on 26th January because the Constitution of India came into force on this day. Now I request Sunita ma'am for further proceeding.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you, Mayank. You spoke so well. Clapping for Mayank. Clapping, everyone. Okay. Okay, guys, are you ready for the quiz? Yes. I have already sent the rules in the group. I think you have gone through the rules. I have sent it to your personal number also. Are you aware of the rules? Are you aware of the rules, please? Yes. Okay. Now let's start from, I'm going to unmute everybody because this is a quiz round. So you have to answer and rest of this team will be quiet. If you will disturb other teams, your marks will be deducted, right? So you will speak only at your turn. I'll tell the rules according to the round. So I'm going to unmute everyone. Yes, you can speak now. In the first round, this is answer in one word. Answer in one word. Please don't speak, otherwise your marks will be cut. Sorry, I'm going to mute. Yes, you are disturbing. Now, in the first round, you have to answer in one word, right? I'll ask 2 questions from each team, and each question carries 5 marks. No negative marking for the wrong answer. Ready? So here is the question for team A. I'm going to unmute Kushagra and Kavya. Okay, right?
Madam, apne aap kar.
Okay, please unmute yourself. The first question is, you will get 30 seconds to answer. First question, who is known as the father of nation? Who is known as
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Yeah, correct answer. Correct answer. Lovely, lovely, Kavya. Thank you. Yes, 5 marks. Correct answer. And the second question. Ready for the second question? Quick. Okay. How many spokes are there in our national flag? How many spokes?
24, ma'am.
24. Lovely, lovely. Very quick. Very quick.
24, ma'am.
Lovely. Thank you, Kavya. Thank you. Thank you. Very correct answer. 5 marks. Okay. So team A score 10 marks in first round. The scorer, Mrs. Ranju Khurana, please give 10 marks in the to team Pearl. Sorry, this is Ruby. This is Ruby. Kushagra, this is Ruby. Yeah, to Ruby team. 10 marks. I missed her from any section. Okay, Ruby's team got 10 marks in the first round. Now here is the question for team A, that is Pearl. Please thumbs up, Pearl team. Thumbs up. Okay, Aina, Pearl team, Aina and Prachi. Anya. Okay, Prachi, where are you, Prachi dear? Yes, please unmute yourself, both of you. Correct. Now here is a question for you both. Which is our national anthem? 30 seconds. Please, parents, you're requested not to help the kids. Please don't look at me only. Look at me only, beta. You can't take help from anybody. Yes, please repeat. Please repeat. Sorry, wrong. No second chance, please.
Ma'am, Jana Gana Man.
No second chance, dear. Sorry. Okay. So first you spoke. First answer was first you gave the wrong answer. Okay, Prachi. Sorry, no problem. You have so many rounds to.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Cope up. Hanji.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Hanji, ma'am.
Anya has given the right answer. She has given the right answer firstly.
When?
She said Jan Gan Man. She said Jan Gan Man. Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
And Prachi answered, ma'am, Vande Mataram.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'll consider. Beta, those who have to answer, you have to raise the hand. Okay, ऐसा नहीं कि एक गलत दे एक right दे फिर हम confuse हो जाएंगे.
You are
Okay.
right, ma'am. But Anya has given the right answer, ma'am.
Okay, fine, ma'am. Those who knows the answer, you will raise the finger. Only one participant will answer at one time. Okay. So I'm going to consider the correct answer. 5 marks to Pearl. Right? But don't be confused next time, beta. Okay, the second question for the same team. A popular slogan, listen carefully, okay? A popular slogan स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. Whose slogan is this? 30 seconds. Look at me only. Look at me. Prachi, no. Prachi, look at me only, dear. Look forward. स्वराज मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा.
लोकमान्य बाल गंगा.
Sorry, dears. No. Sorry, time up. Aina, Anya, Prachi. 30 seconds over. कोई बात, no problem, dear. Get ready for the next answer in the next round. Okay, so answer is, anybody will answer? You will not get the score other teams, but anyone can answer. Okay, Arushi. Please, Arushi. Please unmute. Hanji. Yes.
बाल गंगाधर तिलक.
Yes, बाल गंगाधर तिलक. Okay. उन्होंने एक स्लोगन दिया था, स्वराज इस मेरा जन्म सिद्ध अधिकार है और मैं इसे लेकर रहूंगा. फ्रीडम इज माय बर्थ राइट. सबको आजादी प्यारी होती है ना बेटा. कोई किसी के अंडर कंट्रोल नहीं होना चाहता. इफ somebody tries to control someone, नहीं, I have to do it my own. Okay, so freedom is my birth right. So no marks for this, Arushi. So team Pearl score 5 marks and team Ruby score 10 marks. Correct? Now diamond section, please. Ready? Diamond section, raise the hand, unmute yourself. Pavni and Myra. Please unmute yourself. Unmute, Pavni. Unmute, yes, Myra, please unmute. Ready? You will coordinate first. आप coordinate करेंगे finger raise करके. हाँ. Please. Okay. Ready for the question. Which is the national tree of India? National tree of India. Yes. Banyan. Correct answer. Banyan tree. Okay. Okay, dear. Thank you. Correct answer. So 5 marks goes to diamond section. Correct answer. One more question. On which date the Constitution of India came into effect and the country became republic? You have to tell the date and year correctly. Only then you will get the score. Myra, look at me. Myra, sorry, please don't take help of anyone. Please, Myra. 2. Yes, Pavni, please.
1950.
Date. This is year. Date.
22 July. 26 January.
Who is answer? Myra, you are not Myra. Okay. I'll consider. Okay, 26 January 19 what?
1950.
Okay, correct answer. 26
1915.
Okay, thank you, dear. Thank you. Correct answer. So diamond section has answered both the answers correctly. 10 marks to diamond section. The first round. Okay. Yes, unmute yourself. Now get ready, the participants of Sapphire, Arushi and Dharya. Arushi, where are you, Arushi? Dharya, get ready. Arushi, yes. Okay, beta. Unmute yourself, both of you. Ready?
Yes.
Okay. Which is the national fruit of India? National fruit. Unmute. National fruit. Dharya? Mango. Correct answer. 5 marks. Correct answer. Thank you. Next question. Who has written our national song? First, tell the which is our national song. Don't unmute, Arushi. Sorry. You will be disqualified. Huh?
Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay.
Bankim Chandra
Chattopadhyay.
Chattopadhyay. Okay. And which is our national song?
Vande Mataram.
Vande Mataram. Absolutely correct answer, Arushi. Good girl. 10 marks. So at the end of first round, I request Ranju Khurana ma'am to please tell the score. Ranju ma'am, please unmute yourself and please read out the score after end of first round.
Good afternoon, everyone. So after as you have finished your first round, your marks are like this. Team Pearl has got 5 marks as they have given only one answer correct. Team Ruby has got 10 marks as both the answers were correct. Team Diamond has got 10 marks as both the answers were correct. And Team Sapphire has got 10 marks as both the answers were correct. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Ranju ma'am. Thanks a lot. So you got the score after the first round. Now should we proceed for the next round? Thumbs up, everyone. Should we proceed for next round? Good. Okay. Second round is visual round. I'll show you the visual clips and you have to recognize the photograph, right? So I'm going to share the screen of the freedom fighters. Okay, this picture is for diamond section. I'm going to start from the diamond. Now, diamond participants, please unmute yourself. Diamond participants. Pavni and Myra. Please unmute and recognize the picture. Unmute yourself, Myra. Pavni.
Ma'am.
Yes, you have 30 seconds. Hurry up.
Yes.
Hurry up. Time is flying.
Ma'am, first is Bharat Singh.
Oh, only one. Shh, only one picture. Only one picture. Only one. Only one picture.
Ma'am, first is Bharat Singh.
Okay, thank you so much.
First is Bharat Singh.
Only first picture. Thank you, Pavni. Thank you, dear. So 5 marks to diamond team. They have recognized the correct face, freedom fighter. So Bhagat Singh, he was born in Pakistan, and you will be surprised to know he was hanged by the Britishers only at the age of 23 years. Anybody can, Pavni, which slogan he has given? पता है आपको? कौन सा slogan दिया था उन्होंने? एक नारा था उनका, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद, right? Okay, इंकलाब जिंदाबाद. और ये ब्रिटिशर्स से इन्होंने फाइट किया था to get the freedom for us, and he was hanged by them at the age of 23 years. Thank you. Okay. Now here is a picture for Ruby class. Ruby section, please unmute yourself for next clip. Ruby, Kavya and Kushagra, please unmute. Kavya, Kushagra, unmute yourself. Yeah,
Yes,
here is the next clip. Who is he? Who is he? Please tell Kushagra, please, beta be Mahatma Gandhi. Correct answer.
Mahatma Gandhi ji.
Okay, Mahatma Gandhi ji. Okay, where he was born? ये कहाँ पैदा हुए थे? मालूम है?
Porbandar.
पोरबंदर में पैदा हुए
Ma'am,
थे.
yes, ma'am.
हाँ, and he is known as what we call him? उनको क्या कहते हैं हम सब?
Father of the nation.
Yes, father of
Father
nation.
of the nation.
Kushagra.
Ma'am, Babuji also.
Lovely, lovely, lovely. Okay, beta. 5 marks to team Ruby. Scorer, please give 5 marks to Ruby section. Okay, thank you.
जल्दी बोला पर
बहुत पॉपुलर सॉन्ग है ना, बहुत पॉपुलर सॉन्ग है। दे दी हमें आजादी बना खड़ग बिना ढाल, साबरमती के संत तूने कर दिया कमाल, है ना, बहुत स्वीट सॉन्ग इनका है। ओके
नेम लिखे
ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन फॉर सफायर सेक्शन पार्टिसिपेंट्स। सफायर प्लीज।
फोटोज के नीचे तो नेम लिखे हैं।
बोलो बोलो
मैम, फोटोज के नीचे तो नेम लिखे हैं।
फोटोज के नीचे नहीं आ रहे बेटा, नेम इसमें स्क्रीन पे नहीं आ रहे, नहीं आ रहे, शेयर नहीं हो रहे।
हमारे पास तो आ रहे हैं।
इस पे तो पिक्चर इसमें नहीं आ रहे। चलिए, ओके, नेक्स्ट इज I'll give the clue for next Sapphire section. Arushi and Dharya, please unmute yourself. Arushi and Dharya.
नेम्स दिख रहे हैं कुंडू मैम?
दिख रहे हैं? एक मिनट, मैं इनको स्टॉप कर देती हूँ। Just wait.
यस
Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am.
I'll ask. I'll give the clue now. You will recognize. Okay. I'll give the clue. You will identify and you will answer. Next for Sapphire section. आपको दिख रहे हैं तो Sapphire section. Participants of Sapphire, Arushi and Dharya. Arushi. Arushi, unmute. Dharya, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Okay, you have listen carefully. I'll read the clues about the photograph. Clear? Give me blood and I shall give you freedom. Listen carefully. Give me blood, I shall give you freedom. Right?
Subhash Chandra Bose.
Very quick, very quick, very quick. Okay, he had spoken as a part of the motivational speech on the Indian National Army. So Subhash Chandra Bose. Very nice, very quick. 5 marks to Sapphire team. 5 marks. I'll show you the photograph now. I'll show you the photograph. Subhash Chandra Bose.
जी मैम।
Okay, corrected. Correct. Correct. Yes. 5
Yes,
marks
ma'am.
to Sapphire team. Now, Pearl team, please get ready. Pearl team, Prachi and Anya. Please unmute yourself here. Prachi and Anya. Anya, Prachi.
Yes,
Anya.
ma'am.
Anya and Prachi. Have unmute karo beta. Prachi. Prachi and Anya. Yes. Get ready. I'll give the clue. Listen carefully. She was the Rani of Jhansi. She was the
Queen of Maharaj.
Listen carefully.
Rani Lakshmi Bai.
Array, very quick, very quick. Who is answered? Anya.
Manya.
Nice. Okay. उनका full name क्या था?
मैम लक्ष्मी।
What was her full name?
खूब लड़ी मर्दानी, वो तो झांसी वाली रानी थी।
Very nice. Very quick. Very quick.
मैम, Queen of Maratha, the state झांसी।
Yes. Queen of झांसी। एक उनका ओरिजिनल नेम क्या था जिनसे मूवी भी बनी है एक? मणिकर्णिका। Okay, मणिकर्णिका. So Rani of Jhansi. 5 marks to team Pearl. So all rounds covered. Sapphire is left yet?
No.
Okay.
All
Okay.
are done.
Now, okay. Now I request Ranju ma'am to read out the score after the end of second round. Ranju ma'am, over to Ranju ma'am.
Yes, in round 2, Pearl team has got 5 marks, Ruby has got 5, Diamond has got 5, and Sapphire has got 5. And
Okay.
total of these two rounds the total of these 2 rounds is Team Pearl has got total 10 marks, Team Ruby has got 15, Team Diamond has got 15 marks, and Team Sapphire also has got 15 marks in total till now.
Okay.
Over to you, Kundu ma'am.
Okay. Thank you, Ranju ma'am. Thank you. Now, Pearl team, you have yet lot of chances to cope up with the good score. So there is third round is left. So congratulations everyone. Those who are leading Ruby, Diamond, and Sapphire. Hurry up, Pearl section, please hurry up. You have a chance to score in the third round. And the third round, that is, you have to answer in more than 2 words or in a sentence. All right. So I'll ask one question. You have to answer in an elaborated form, right? One word nahi, आपको elaborate करके उसको clarify करना है. Only then you will get the score. If it is absolutely correct, you will get the score. So you have chances per section to score well in this round. The first question for Pearl section, get ready. Pearl section, Prachi and Anya. Prachi and Anya. All the best. First round ready? Prachi, Prachi.
Yes, ma'am.
Ready? Okay. The first question is, what symbolizes the 24 spokes in national flag? You have 30 seconds to answer. 24 spokes होते हैं ना national flag के अंदर. What symbolizes the 24 spokes in national flag? वो क्या हमें मैसेज देते हैं? Quick. Ranju ma'am, please take care of the timing.
Progress.
Look at me only. Prachi and Anya.
Ma'am, progress. Ma'am, progress.
No, dear, no. I want the perfect answer, correct answer. No compromise in these answers. This is very important round. You can't make your own words. Please, time up now. Time up, Ranju ma'am. 30 seconds over.
Time is
30
up.
seconds over, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
It's over.
Okay. Thank you, Prachi. Who will give the correct answer? Anyone knows? Anyone knows? Okay, Myra, please. Quick. Anya, Anya, you're late now. Huh?
It symbolizes 24 hours of a day.
Yes. Thank you. So 24 hours of the day and symbol of not movement. Okay? Time doesn't stop. It keeps on moving. Movement. Right? Anya, yes, you want to say something? Yes, you have raised the hand.
Ma'am, why I was late?
Huh?
मैम
Time up हो गया था
मैंने
बेटा?
तो
हाँ जी बेटा.
नहीं
बोलो.
मैम, आपने तो आन्या को अनम्यूट किया ही नहीं था मैम. आपने तो आन्या को म्यूट किया ही नहीं था. You have
Yes.
asked only Prachi ma'am.
मैम I know the answer.
And she is raising the hand from starting ma'am. आपने
I asked in the very beginning to unmute yourself. Prachi, she did herself, and Anya, I did. No?
No ma'am, ऑप्शन नहीं आया मैम. और आन्या स्टार्टिंग से हैंड रेज किया हुआ है मैम.
Okay, ma'am. I'll cancel this answer. No issue. I'll ask one more question to the same team. Ready? Prachi and Anya, please be alert. You have to answer within 30 seconds only. Okay, Anya? Unmute karo beta. Ready? Okay. None else will answer. I'll ask one more question. Peacock is our national bird. Listen carefully. Look at me only, beta. Don't take help of mama or from the book. What does it symbolize? Peacock. Look at me only, and what does it symbolize? Time started already. Look at me only. Don't look into the book. Look at me. Face up, please. No, Anna.
different colors.
Look at me only and answer. Prachi also.
Ma'am, different colors.
Ranju ma'am, please take care of the timing. 30 seconds should.
Ma'am,
Look at me.
different
Anya,
colors.
बेटा सामने देखो बच्चा, सामने देखो. Sorry, no, not pink color, no. Prachi, Anya, please look at me, बच्चे सामने देख के आंसर कीजिए.
Ma'am, different colors.
No dear, no. Sorry dear, time up. Ranju ma'am, time up.
Yes, ma'am. Almost up.
Okay. Thank you, beta. Thank you, Anna. This is grace, pride, and beauty. Okay. Peacock symbolizes grace, pride, and beauty. Okay. So no score to Pearl team. Now question 4. Diamond class for Ruby section. Ruby section, please get ready. Kushagra and
Yes,
Kavya.
ma'am.
Kavya, where are you? Kavya, yes, beta, unmute yourself. Get ready. Get ready, Kavya. Yes. Here is the question for you. You have to answer quickly. Tiger is the national. Look at into my eyes only. Don't look here and there. Fine. You will be disqualified otherwise. Tiger is national animal of India. What does it symbolize? Tiger. Look at me and answer.
Power.
Time starts now.
Power.
Yes.
Power. And courage.
I want the perfect answer, which is given in the books where it is given on the internet. He's powerful, no
Ma'am,
doubt.
tiger symbolize courage, strength, and power.
Courage and
Ma'am,
power.
tiger symbolize courage, strength, and power.
Time is up, ma'am.
Time up, dear. Time
मैम
up.
मैंने बोला था
क्या बोला था आपने?
Ma'am, she is speaking. Kushagra is speaking. Kushagra is speaking.
हाँ, नहीं,
it
time up, don't
symbolize
forget, time up.
courage, strength.
And
power.
speaking the
नहीं
answer,
बेटा,
उसका answer सुन लीजिए.
Okay. Ranju ma'am, please speak. हाँ जी, Ranju ma'am, please give your views about this answer. Actually, the answer is bravery and strength.
Okay.
So what should we consider power and courage? No.
Yeah, ma'am. Courage is there. Courage also is the other word for
Courage
bravery.
and strength. He said courage, strength, and power.
Courage, strength, and power. Should we consider this answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 5 marks to this team. Yes, Kavya, please hurry up, beta. Time is flying. Time flying, please. Correct answer. I took the views of other teacher also. So 5 marks to this team. Actually, this is bravery and strength. But there are the similar words: courage, power, and strength. So 5 marks to this team. Now here is the question for Team Diamond. Get ready, Pavni and Myra. Myra and Pavni. Myra and Pavni. Where are you? Yes, beta. Here is the question. You have to elaborate. You have to explain clearly. Ready? How many Asiatic lions are there in the state emblem of India? Myra.
Time starts now.
Time starts now. Quick. Myra. How many Asiatic lions are there in the state emblem of India? Ranju ma'am, please take it. The child should look into my eyes, not here and there. Pavni and Myra, please answer, dear. How much time?
Ma'am,
is left?
please repeat the question.
How many Asiatic lions are there in state emblem of India?
Ma'am, four.
Time is up.
Time up. No.
Ma'am, four.
No. Actually, there are 4. How many? मैंने आपको बोला था बेटा one word answer नहीं है, 2 word answer नहीं है. You have to elaborate. 3 lines are visible and the 4th being hidden from the view. हम 3 visible, हम 3 देख सकते हैं, but 4th is hidden from the view. आपको explain करना था. Ranju ma'am, how much should I mark score to them? They have answered 4. Actually, these are 4. But मैंने आपको starting में बोला था. Ranju ma'am, please unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Should we give the full marks or half mark?
Half marks should be given because the question is to elaborate.
Yes, you have. I mentioned in the very beginning, you have to elaborate it clearly. So 2.5 marks to 2.5 diamond class. Now here is the question to Sapphire. Sapphire, please get ready. Sapphire section, please get ready. Arushi, get ready. And Dharya, yes. Dharya, please get ready. Yes, beta, here is the question.
Yes, ma'am.
You have to explain in Hindi also. ठीक है? आपको जो
Yes.
क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे इंग्लिश में आंसर देंगे, then you will explain little bit in Hindi also. What does Satyame Jayate means? First tell in the English. What does
means truth alone triumphs.
truth alone triumphs? In Hindi,
Very
elaborate this in Hindi also.
कि हमेशा जीत होती है.
सत्य की हमेशा
सत्य की
जीत होती है.
जीत
Perfect
होती है.
answer. So 5 marks to this Sapphire section. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Ranju ma'am. Please tell the score. Please tell the score.
Ma'am, for round three scores are Team Pearl has got 0 marks, Team Ruby has got 5, Team Diamond has got 0.5, and Team Sapphire has got 5. And the total of the 3 rounds I'm going to tell. Team Pearl has got 10, Team Ruby has got 20 marks, Team Diamond has got 17.5,
Okay.
and Team Sapphire has got 20. So there is a tie between Ruby and Diamond.
Okay, tie between Ruby and Diamond. So let I ask the question. Ruby, ma'am, we have to find out 3 positions. 3 positions. So which teams there is a tie between Ruby and Diamond?
Sapphire, Ruby and Sapphire.
Ruby and Sapphire. Okay. So we'll skip the third position then. So first position to Sapphire. Ranju ma'am, please repeat. Please repeat your answer score. And
Ma'am,
please.
Pearl team has got 10 marks.
Huh?
And Ruby has got 20.
Okay.
Diamond has got 17.5.
Okay. Sapphire?
Sapphire has 20.
20 marks. Okay, so first position is backed by 2 sections, Ruby and Sapphire. And the second
Yes.
position goes to Diamond section. Ranju ma'am, could you share this score to me, please, right now? Please.
Yeah.
Please send it to me.
Okay,
Okay, hats off. Congratulations. Please, big hands for all the classes. You enjoyed this? चलिए जब तक मैम शेयर करते हैं हम ओवर टू मयंक रोहिला प्लीज कंटिन्यू डियर अनम्यूट योरसेल्फ.
I would like to thank my teacher participants who put their efforts to make this quiz a successful one. Now I request everyone to please stand up for the national anthem.
Okay beta, let's we meanwhile ma'am is going to share the screen scoreboard. Let's we have a national anthem. So I request everyone to please stand up. Just a minute, just a moment. Wait. Please stand up everyone. Let's have a national anthem. Yes, start. Everybody has to stand up. 1, 2, 3, start. Jan gan man adhinayak jaya hai, Bharat bhagya vidhata. Punjab Sindh Gujarat Maratha Dravin Uchkal Banga, Vindhya Himachal Yamuna Ganga, Uchal Jaladi Taranga. तब शुभ नामे जागे, तब शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाए सब जय गाथा. जन गण मंगल दायक जय भारत भाग्य विधाता. जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे Jai Hind. Okay, thank you all. Thank you all. I hope ma'am has shared the screen. Let's. Yeah, here is the score. Here is the score, beta. Please have a look on the score.